Today, we are going to watch the packaging solution for vacuum packaging machine for packaging marinated peanuts pickled. First, we set the packaging speed on the screen to 38 packages per minute. Using the principle of vacuum suction to take the bags automatically, the bags are sent to the first workstation and only one bag is taken each time. After the suction cup expands the bag opening, the stretchable bag piece is inserted into the bag opening and waits at the next station for material feeding. The peanut is lifted to the feeding tray of the multi-head combine scale by the tipping elevator, and then distributed to multiple weighing hoppers through the linear array disc. Based on the principle of free arrangement and combination, when the peanuts in multiple weighing hoppers reach the target weight, and the peanuts slide into the collection hopper for precise bagging, then it moves to the next station to inject the sauce. A simple sealing process is carried out, where the peanuts inside the bag are gently flattened, transferred to the vacuum chamber for vacuuming, and finally sealed. The sauce-filled peanuts are then completed the packaging process.